Emojis. Whether it's your mom or your little brother, everyone's using them. They're a great way to bring some emotion and fun into any conversation. But did you know that there are several emojis that guys hate? I'm going to tell you which emojis to avoid at all costs in just a minute. Plus, stick around for an emoji secret that can ruin a conversation without you ever knowing. Hi, I'm Amy North. I'm a love expert and relationship coach from Canada, and I'm here with your emoji update. Like it or not, emojis are a part of texting these days. And that means the emojis you use can make or break your dating game. But don't be afraid to emote to a guy you like. A Match.com survey found that 54% of emoji users get laid compared to only 31% of people who don't use emojis. Today, I'm going to give you the 3 emojis that guys hate, 3 they love, and 1 emoji secret that almost no one knows that can kill a conversation without you even realizing it. Without further ado, according to a study by Plenty of Fish, here are the 3 emojis that guys hate with a passion. Eggplant, peach, and fire. I bet you already imagine why. If you didn't know, eggplant and peach have come to represent certain body parts, so if you use these, you might be giving the wrong idea. Save them for sexting, if even that. But what about the fire emoji? That one makes the list because it's corny and it has been overused in the last few years. So, unless you're texting him about mixtapes, leave the fire alone. I also caution you to steer clear of the heart emoji early on. Depending on how you use it, it can be a bit intense. It's not the same as saying I love you, but it's definitely a bit too close. You might just be throwing it in for fun, but trust me, he might not think so. Confused by texting? Don't be. Just go to attractiontext.com right now for all the answers to your biggest texting questions. I've even included a copy and paste text message for almost any situation, so you never have to struggle over a text message again. That's attractiontext.com, and I promise you, any man will want to make you his the second his phone vibrates. So, let's move on to the emojis that guys do like. Heart eyes, kissy face, winky face. Pretty classic stuff. Heart eyes, you look good. Kissy face, you're sweet. And the old standby winking face, I'm flirting with you, even if you couldn't tell. Make sure you're using these strategically, but honestly, you can't really go wrong with these 3. Make them a part of your regular flirting routine, and you'll be out of your phone and into your arms before you know it. Looking to mix things up? Here are 4 more that I think you should work into your text to keep them light and playful. Arm flexing. There are plenty of ways to use this one. You can be like, you can do it. You're my hero. Stay strong. The arm flex is a nice compliment to the right text. 2, Santa. That's right, old Saint Nick himself. This one is mostly pretty funny, depending on what time of year you use it. A random Santa makes every text a little more silly. Plus, great for that holiday flirting. Mistletoe, anyone? Number 3, head massage. This one I use to evoke a feeling of calm and chillness, like I'm just hanging out at home. I can't really explain why, but it feels very sensual and intimate to me, and that's a vibe you want when you're talking to a guy. Number 4, any emoji. A random emoji can be a fun way to spice up a boring text. Sometimes the right text to send is still pretty boring, but if you throw in a random emoji at the end, it can be a fun, cute way to communicate. Just make sure it's totally random and doesn't look like it's sending some message. Now, here's my big emoji secret, and it's something that you've never even considered. I had no idea until someone told me, and it made me wonder how many people are making the same mistake and ruining a conversation through no fault of their own. It's pretty crazy. Look at this emoji. A pretty happy little guy. He looks interested in what you're saying, polite, and hopeful for the future. But he has a secret. This is a Samsung emoji. When you send it to an iPhone, it looks like this. That's right. So imagine this scenario. You're texting a guy, he says, let's go for dinner on Friday, and you say, that's a great idea, and follow it up with what you think is basically a happy face, but what he gets is this. He's thinking, wow, I thought she actually liked me, guess I'll move on, and you have no idea. It works both ways too. Say you're texting him, I'm at work and my ex is here, and he has a Samsung. Suddenly, it looks like you're telling him you're ecstatic to see your ex. It's dangerous territory. See, the emojis are different depending on who makes your phone. Usually these differences don't matter, but for a few they decided to really flip the script. So if you have those green bubbles, be careful that what you're seeing is the same thing as what you're sending. Communicating clearly over text can be difficult, but it doesn't have to be. Go to attractiontext.com right now for a free video presentation where I cover all the information you need to sharpen up your texting game. Not only that, I give you texts that you can copy and paste that are proven to drive men wild with desire for you. Make no mistake, these are powerful messages, so use them carefully. That's attractiontext.com. Bonus emoji tips. Forget the angry emojis. Unless it's super clear that you're making a joke, skip it. If you're angry, don't express it with a cute cartoon face. If you're really upset about something, talk about it in person. Or just use cap locks and 500 exclamation points. So, there you have it, the ins and outs of emojis. Remember which ones to avoid and which ones to use, and you'll be just fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your favorite emoji in the comments below, and I'll see you soon.